Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ola Opulence. I am so excited today. Thank you so much for joining me as usual. Guys, if you see this box, you already know what it is. It is the Yeezy 700. As you can see, it's on the box already. It's right there. It says the Yeezy 700. And I'm so excited to unbox and go into the details for you guys. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment in the section below. I really appreciate that. So without further ado, let's get straight into the 700 V3 unboxing I got for you guys here. Super excited. Okay, right, so we have the box as usual. Guys, you already know what's with the box. You can see Yeezy right there. Okay, and it says made by Adidas right there, and then you got the sizing details on the other side. It says Yeezy 700 made by Adidas, and the sizing details right there. I wear this in a size 10. Okay, so 10 and a half actually. Sorry about that. I wear this in a size 10 and a half because typically Yeezys, they actually run a little bit small. So I recommend you go up a half a size or a full size. So I typically, depending on which of the silhouettes, I typically like to go up in a half a size. So on this particular one, I did go up a half a size. That's why I got a size 10 and a half. So without further ado, let's go straight in there and pull it out and show you guys what I got in here. All right, so you can see the paper right there, the tissue paper as usual. Okay, and you can see the 700 on top. Alrighty, okay, here we go. All right, this is what I am looking at right there. Okay, I'm gonna bring it out. You guys, are you ready for this? Check this out. Bam! Look at that. That is so awesome. I like that. So this is the Yeezy 700 Fade Salt. So I really feel that this is a nice color way to have in the collection. Okay, so I'm gonna bring the other foot out and I'll put this on here. Actually, let me put the box to the side. I'll put, like I said earlier, the 700 V3 Fade Salt. Okay, so this is the extra shoelace that came with it, which is a gray right there. All right, the gray shoelaces. So the reason why actually I had to add this in my collection is because this is the only 700 V3 colorway that you know that the inner construction right here is not black. This particular one is gray. Most of all the ones that actually released, the inner part, inner construction right here, the inner part right there is always black. So this is something different that I feel like, you know what, I need to add to my collection. So I went ahead and, you know, I got it. I actually got this on the Adidas Confirm website, and I'm really happy I was able to get it on the Adidas Confirm app. So yeah, so I'll put the extra shoelaces on the side so we can talk more about the material and stuff. But before that, you know what, I gotta talk a little bit about the elephant in the room, which everybody know about. Kanye and Adidas, they have parted ways, which I am really sad to hear about. But unfortunately, that's just how life is. Sometimes things like that happen in life, and you know, I wish Kanye all the best. But what he did, in actual fact, I do not support the comments. You know, I feel hate or hate speech of any kind is not should not be tolerated in our society. but at the same time, you should understand that mental health is a big problem in our society as well. So celebrities are human beings as well, and sometimes they go through stuff as well. So that's all I just want to say. We wish Kanye well, and hopefully he can get help and make sure he's okay and everything. But it is really sad to see Adidas and Kanye part ways, but it is what it is. That is what it has come to, and obviously they feel like they have to move on. So okay, so let's go back to the sneaker itself. And by the way, this is the last Yeezy V3 700 that was released by Adidas and the Yeezy brand partnership before everything went pear-shaped, before they broke up. So I'm really happy that I'm able to have this, because this is basically the part of history right here. So yeah, let's go straight into the materials. Okay, so right there you have something like a gum sole right there, which is like a kind of like a milky gum sole, and in the middle there's this pods like a reflective kind of orange pod right there. As usual, on every 700 you always see those holes there, which is kind of really cool. I am a big fan of the this patterns on the 700s. I really like them. On the front right there, like the mud guard right there, it's a pod right there, like a patch of brown. Then on the side you have the TPU cage that glows, which is the front one, and inside you have that mesh lining inside right there. And on the back, more of the TPU cage as well, you have the same mesh underneath the TPU cage. And there's like a net on the side right here, which is transparent right there. And the same on the other side over here. And the typical color in here is a gray, and I wouldn't say it's a black right there. It's kind of like a darker gray. If you look at it closely, it looks like a black from distance, but it's not. So it's a mix of white, black, mesh, underneath the TPU cage. You have the gray lining inside. It's a good diverse color from the typical all black inside that the 700 V3 always has. So I'm really happy I was able to get this in my collection. And the shoelace that comes with this right here is a gray as well. And as you know, you can change the shoelace. If you don't like this, you can always cut this off. There's a way you can cut it neatly that you can reattach it, which you pull this back and basically cut the thread and just remove it. It's very easy. And if you're tired of using this, just put in the normal shoelaces. And if you're tired of using that, you can remove that and basically get a needle and a thread and reattach this back. So I like that. It's very easy to do things like that, and I'm really happy about that. And by the way, the midsole is this cream color that you usually just see with 700 V3s, which I really like. And at the back you have the Adidas branding right at the back right there, okay, which is really nice and awesome. And just there is just a tag, the size and details. And like I said, I wear this in a 10 and a half, which is right there. Okay, yes. So the shoe liner inside is a gray, which says Yeezy Autolite inside. All right, on the sock line and stuff. So yeah, that's about it. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, because at least 85% of the people watching my videos, and I do have a lot of views on these videos, are not subscribed to the channel. Please make sure you help us out by clicking subscribe and liking the video. And please comment in the section below and let me know your thoughts on this, and let me know your thoughts on the whole Kanye Adidas saga. What do you think about it? So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you joining me. So till next time, all the opulence out.